Bistable Multivibrator with 555 timer. As well as the one-shot 555 monostable configuration previous, we can also produce a bistable, two stable states, device with the operation and output of the 555 bistable being similar to the transistorized one we looked at previously in the Bistable Multivibrators tutorial. The 555 bistable is one of the simplest circuits we can build using the 555 timer oscillator chip. This bistable configuration does not use any RC timing network to produce an output waveform, so no equations are required to calculate the time period of the circuit.
Bistable flip-flop circuit. The switching of the output waveform is achieved by controlling the trigger and reset inputs of the 555 timer, which are held high by the two pull-up resistors, R1 and R2. By taking the trigger input, pin 2, low, switch in set position, changes the output state into the high state, and by taking the reset input, pin 4, low, switch in reset position, changes the output into the low state. This 555 timer circuit will remain in either state indefinitely and is therefore bistable. Then the bistable 555 timer is stable in both states, high and low. The threshold input, pin 6, is connected to ground to ensure that it cannot reset the bistable circuit, as it would in a normal timing application.